Morning. Now going to torsion subject. Next example problem number 2. A shaft of 60 millimeter diameter rotates with 180 rpm if permissible shear stress is 100 megapascal in fine torque power kilowatt. Here all of the data will given in diameter and then rpm speed and then shear stress tau also given, but here find out for kilowatt. Okay, power will find out, determine the find out. So previous problem will given torque, power, speed and then stress, permissible stress, but will find out in diameter. Okay, d is equal to 60 millimeter, n is equal to 180 rpm, t is equal to 100 megapascal, t is equal to pi divided by 60 into tau into d cube. This is formula for torque. Okay, pi divided by 60 into 100 into 60 cube. So 60 is equal to diameter. Apo here itself given t 40.0 Newton millimeter. So P is equal to formula power torque. P is equal to 2 pi n t divided by 60. 2 pi into 180 speed of rpm into t torque 4240 divided by 60. So here itself 79,922.11 watt. So converted into kilowatt into divided by 1000, 70.92 kilowatt.